Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a wig cap on because we're about to install a wig, and this wig that I'm about to show you guys so good, and she's from AliExpress, like directly from AliExpress under Arabella. So the specs on the hair, this is a 5x6 26-inch deep wave glueless wig. I really like the more deep parted wigs. This wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it already comes pre-parted, so I literally can put the wig on and go. But y'all know that's not how I do it. I'm going to refresh the curls on this wig, but I am impressed. The wigs just keep getting better and better, and the less work that we have to do makes it all worth it. Like, I don't remember the last time I done bleached some knots. I don't even want to touch bleach anymore. Please send me the wig already ready to go. So I'm just playing with the wig, trying to figure out how deep I want my side part to be. So like I said, the wig is fresh out the pack. All I'm doing is spraying it down with a spray bottle. It's only water in here. I just want to make the curls pop. So I'm also going in with my Tangle Teaser brush just to comb the curls out and give them some life, because when you get these wigs, they already come like clumped together. So you can already see how different the curls on this wig looks. So here are the facts. This wig is from AliExpress. They are going to be having a Black Friday sale from November 23rd to November 29th. So a lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of wigs are going to be on sale, up to 50% off. Even this wig that I'm showing you guys right now, that I'm just about to slick my edges down because it's so cute. Look at it. Anywho, So yeah, this wig is gonna be on sale. A bunch of other wigs are gonna be on sale. I think you can get this wig for under $100. Okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. This wig is from Aliexpress Arabella. Again, it is the 5x6 glueless bleach knots, okay? Because that's important. The knots are bleached. It's pre-plucked, okay? It's pre-parted in a good part at that. But anywho, so I have a code. The code is Mega30. Better yet, let me show you. So if you have the AliExpress app on your phone, all you do is go to the app. You're going to type in Mega30 and you're going to see all the wigs that are on sale that I'm talking about. And here's the wig that I have. A look at that price. So, of course, you have to put in, length and density and all that good stuff, and the price will increase. But I don't think this wig is over, I don't know, $150 at the longest length. But yeah, so this is the wig I have. Here are a few of the other wigs. Really, really good, deep, deep discounts. So don't say I didn't tell y'all, okay? And I think you can also search that in the search bar. I have a list and a link for everything I'm telling you guys in my description box. But yeah, don't say I didn't tell you, okay? You see the quality. Do y'all see how deep that part got? Oh my god, this is definitely one of my favorite curly wigs, hands down, okay? Because I didn't have to do anything at all but fluff the curls up. It's it's that easy. It's that simple. Oh my god. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this wig. I'll list all of the AliExpress Black Friday sale information in the info box for you guys, like I said already. And if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, until next time, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.